Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be removing the running board off a Lincoln Navigator. The process pretty much the same from 07 all the way up to 17, maybe 18 and 19. I haven't done too much research as far as the later models, but for these, this would be the same procedure. We have 4 bolts, 2 at the top and then 2 at the bottom. That's for the front bracket, and then for the rear bracket we have the same. We have 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. And of course, before doing all that, you will want to unplug this connector over here. It's a little bit difficult sometimes. A lot of dirt gathers up in there, so it might need a little bit of wiggling, but you should be able to get out of there. It just takes a little bit of patience. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's a very easy process, very easy to remove, very easy to replace. However, the brackets with the motors and the brackets themselves are high dollar, so you want to take really good care of these. Make sure you maintain them well and spray them here and there so they function properly. With the connector out of the way, we can start moving the bolts. They're all gonna be 13 millimeter. Very easy to remove as long as they're not too rusty. These over here are in pretty good shape.
There we go, y'all. Running board is full and ready to be serviced.